The ReadyNAS Vault. Secure your priceless digital assets and access them anytime and from anywhere on the globe with the ReadyNAS Vault. Anyone responsible for safeguarding computer storage is aware that no matter how well-built hardware storage systems are, they are still insufficient for protecting data. Your work can quickly be destroyed, and the priceless data you have saved for years can be taken from you in an instant by robbery, fire, or flood in the office environment. However, we are grateful to NETGEAR for coming up with the ReadyNAS Vault, which is the most practical way thinkable to resolve this data insecurity condition once and for all. ReadyNAS Vault, what is it? ReadyNAS Vault is a dependable, professional online backup solution designed for you by NETGEAR. And it might interest you to know that NETGEAR Incorporated is an American company that has been providing internet, networking, and storage hardware and software goods and services to consumers, businesses, and service companies for decades. ReadyNAS Vault is a valuable piece of software made for you to enable you to easily and safely transport and store your data from your hardware devices to the cloud. Who needs the ReadyNAS Vault? ReadyNAS Vault is built with users of ReadyNAS models from NETGEAR as well as users of non-ReadyNAS devices in mind. For ReadyNAS users, once you've updated your ReadyNAS with the most recent software and a web browser, you may quickly install the Vault program. Once installed, you can trust that whatever you drop in will be kept forever in the cloud in a secure environment. Additionally, you may access it whenever you want from any device and anywhere on the planet. Therefore, if you fit into any of the following categories, ReadyNAS Vault is for you. All internet users, all users of computers can utilize ReadyNAS, as it is essential everywhere managing, distributing, and storing data is a primary concern. Do you work in IT, operate a business, manage social media, create software, or build websites? This is what you must have been looking for. Having a ReadyNAS Vault at your disposal should make your wishes to manage and safeguard backups effectively come true. NETGEAR's ReadyNAS hardware storage users use this extension from NETGEAR called ReadyNAS Vault if you've been using ReadyNAS hardware storage devices to store, share, and protect your files locally. Data backed up in the ReadyNAS will never be lost by any means imaginable because every file you throw into your vault is stored away in a highly secure redundant data center. At just a little additional cost, you can say goodbye to data loss due to possible hardware failure. Using the vault, your ReadyNAS data will be safely backed up to a distant, secure data center. Here, security is paramount, so before being delivered, your data is first encrypted. The data center is housed in a temperature-controlled building with redundant power and connections and fire and flood-proof assurance. Outstanding qualities of the ReadyNAS Vault. 1. The Vault can be used with any version of the ReadyNAS family of equipment from NETGEAR that you now own or would like to own. 2. It is offered in mobile apps for Android and macOS users. 3. It provides unmatched cross-platform compatibility with Windows, Android, and macOS devices. 4. As long as you have internet connectivity, you can access data saved on your ReadyNAS from anywhere in the world. 5. Access is restricted to authorized individuals and is controlled. 6. Using the Vault is intended to be straightforward and user-friendly. This is why its users have attested that installing it is as easy as it can be. 7. It is built with the same 128-bit SSL connection that banks and other financial organizations utilize for backup administration. 8. With ReadyNAS Vault, data storage, transfer, and cloud storage are all completely secure and private. 9. A quick data recovery system is provided by ReadyNAS Vault. 10. Several systems can be controlled from a single logon to the Vault. 11. Additional features include end-to-end encryption, link and folder sharing, Windows Server backup, backup of external disks, and backup of open and locked files. Why is ReadyNAS Vault differently valued? ReadyNAS Vault is uniquely valued because of the following selling points. 1. Affordable enterprise-level security is available with ReadyNAS Vault. All information is protected both during storage and transmission, 128-bit SSL secure connections and 256-bit ICE encryption at rest. 2. With a single touch, You can restore lost data to the original ReadyNAS location or to other storage locations. Never again will you stress over losing those critical data. 3. Should you ever be subject to legal discovery, ReadyNAS Vault offers quick and easy access to all of your information and data recovery. 3. It complies with numerous industry compliance standards. 4. Due to the real-time nature of its operation, ReadyNAS Vault may make modifications to data in real time and immediately safeguard newly created or updated files. As an alternative, you could elect to schedule your job's backup at predetermined intervals. 5. You can build a private cloud to store a copy of anything on your storage device offshore when you enable ReadyNAS Vault on your ReadyNAS. Data is automatically transferred off-site via ReadyNAS Vault without the need for additional software agents, licenses, or maintenance hassles. 6. There is no need for tapes, backup software licenses, or manual procedures. Set up regular backups or activate the continuous mode for increased security. 7. It is easy to protect data with ReadyNAS Vault. You can manage one or more ReadyNAS systems simultaneously and control backup and recovery from any device with a browser, even a handheld device. 8. Since it is a web-based storage infrastructure for businesses, you can decide what needs to be safeguarded, and ReadyNAS Vault would replicate it off-site automatically and securely. 9. You can verify outcomes, make adjustments, and restore files, even for numerous systems, from any internet location. 10. With ReadyNAS Vault, you may browse for the files you require and instantly restore them to your ReadyNAS without the need for tapes or concern over outdated software or administration issues. 11. Versioning options and ongoing data protection are available. When new or updated files are added, ReadyNAS Vault can immediately protect them by monitoring changes in real time. 12. In order to transport your data off-site when it is most convenient for you, jobs can also be scheduled to execute at predetermined intervals. 13. You have total control over how much bandwidth is used and how your system is used. With its numerous recovery points, ReadyNAS Vault automatically maintains multiple versions. 14. With ReadyNAS Vault, you don't need to wait for email with logs after the fact to review transfer history, adjust configurations, change schedules, or choose backup sources from any browser-based location. 15. ReadyNAS Vault technology offers dependability at a low cost without needless complexity. While alternative backup systems call for the installation, management, upkeep, and licensing of a server and agents, ReadyNAS Vault is built straight into your ReadyNAS storage device. Management simply needs a web browser, and differential backups, duplication, and compression are all automatic. Check out this price tables and subscription scheduling. One. All available membership plans offer a 30-day trial after signing up. If you're unhappy with the services after the free trial, you can choose to upgrade, downgrade, or even stop using them. 2. You can start the trial without being asked for your credit card. 3. The cost of the subscription is very reasonable, starting at just $10 per month for the basic service, $20 for businesses, and $30 for enterprises. 4. While you have the option to begin with a 2 GB plan with the intention of upgrading in the future, there are basically 3 programs, the residential, business, and enterprise plans, each of which gives you the option of subscribing monthly or annually. 5. Additionally, each plan lists the minimum accounts and devices it can support at once, which for the basic plan is 3 accounts and 10 devices. The enterprise plan offers up to 20 accounts and 100 devices. With the convenience offered by NETGEAR's ReadyNAS Vault, don't allow catastrophe to strike before you safeguard your precious storage data. Do it now with the ReadyNAS Vault.